In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add promo code in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the discount settings, how to set up a code or an automatic deal, and how to make sure it works the way you expect. Open your web browser and go to the Squarespace site, then log into your account. From your sites list, select the website where you want to run the promotion and click Go to Website to open the dashboard. Once you're in, look for the search icon in the sidebar. Click it, type discounts, and open the discount section. This takes you to the place where all of your promo rules live. Start by choosing the discount type you want to offer. Common options include a percentage off, a fixed amount off, or free shipping. Pick the one that fits your goals and margins. Next, enter a clear name for the discount. This is for your internal tracking, so choose something meaningful like spring sale 20% or free ship over 50 so it's easy to find later. Now choose how the discount is triggered. You can use a discount code that shoppers enter at checkout or set it to apply automatically. If you're using a code, click Generate Code to create one you can share. You can edit the code to match your branding. Short, simple, and easy to remember usually works best. If you prefer not to ask customers to enter anything, select an automatic discount so it applies as soon as people meet the conditions. With the type and trigger set, refine the details. Specify the discount amount or percentage, and define any conditions like minimum order value or required quantity. Limit the discount to certain products or categories if needed, and set which customers it applies to. Add a start and end date to control timing, and set usage limits per order, per customer, or a total cap to protect your margins. If you use multiple promotions, check how this one interacts with others so you're not stacking discounts unintentionally. When everything looks good, click Save. If you created a code, share it in your marketing. Think banners, emails, or social posts. For automatic discounts, let customers know the deal applies at checkout. It's a good idea to test the discount yourself in a private browser window to confirm the price adjusts correctly. That's it. You've added a promo code in Squarespace and configured it with the right rules, timing, and visibility. Thanks for watching and happy selling.